Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from Zelle to your bank account in 2025. With digital banking evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but it's always good to have a clear guide. Whether you're a Zelle newbie or just want a quick refresh, stick around. This will take you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure your Zelle account is properly linked to your bank. In 2025, most banks have seamless integrations, so if you haven't already, download the Zelle app or visit their website and follow the prompts to connect your account. This usually involves verifying your bank's login details for security. Once that's set up, open the Zelle app on your smartphone or log in through the web portal. You'll see a dashboard with options like Send, Request, and Transfer. For this, head to the Transfer to Bank section. It's designed to be user-friendly, with prompts guiding you along the way. Next, select the account you want to transfer from. Zelle often lets you choose between linked accounts, so pick the one with the funds. Then, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Remember, in 2025, there might be daily limits, so check those in the app settings to avoid any hiccups. After that, review the details carefully. You'll need to confirm the recipient, which in this case is your own bank account, and add any necessary notes for your records. Zelle will send a verification code to your phone or email, so keep an eye out for that. Hit Confirm to finalize the transfer. The money should hit your bank account within minutes, depending on your bank's processing time. That's it, easy peasy. A quick tip: always double check for fees, as some banks might charge for incoming transfers. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next video.